Yeah, who
My
fucked up the
baby
other
bub.
guy?
Yeah, wait, what? There was another guy in front. It wasn't this guy, but it was someone else. What happened to him?
I think his name is Zen. Oh, he got 7.
I got a second. Yeah, a baby buff,
Oh,
baby buff.
I thought that was Max. Never mind.
Damn, we would have been top 3. That's crazy. No. They just pretend it was.
Oh.
No,
Did I just see someone's name called Diddy?
What?
That has to be my imagination.
That's crazy. Also, I got second on this map. This map that I don't like. That's crazy.
It wasn't Diddy, it was Drew.
Oh. You're seeing things.
I only saw D. Oh.
I just spit out my drink. That's crazy. Nice one.
Burgers on my mind.
I know, right? I'm glad I got to change to a baby. Baby buff. I love baby buff. Oh,
Hey.
Yeah.
Got games on your phone?
I'm an iPad kid. I'm just watching CoComelon.
Ah, kids these days don't know about
CoComelon. I don't know anything about CoComelon. I don't
these
know
kids don't know about Jetpack Joyride.
CoComelon.
Always talking about, I don't want to kill the scientists.
TPC, yeah, bro, I don't think... Do kids play TPC these days? Yes? Maybe?
Is there even a game to play anymore?
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
That's crazy. Y'all series really fell off.
Yeah. They're working on it.
Yeah, alright, bro.
It's taking as long as Metroid Prime 4.
As long as there's delusion, there's hope.
Yeah. Always.
Damn, maybe Toad's big head, it was like making me slow down. Big head.
You got that big ass head with that hamburger on it.
For real, slowing me down.
You look in the stats and it's like, he's a heavyweight.
Bro,
that's crazy. Toad being a heavyweight? I'm turning invisible for a second.
We're gonna get you, June.
Get me what? What did I do? I took your coin?
You're safe being invisible.
Wait, you cut off. I didn't hear you.
So you think you're safe being invisible.
Oh. Oh, bro, what the hell was that? Who's sliming? Great, that was you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I like how it took you a while to respond, bro. Like,
Lucia. Oh, fucking charging.
Charging Chuck. Chicken jockey.
Charging Chuck like charging cut.
Dude, if they added a chicken cart to this game, I'm gonna lose it.
A chicken what?
A chicken cart. Just a cart that looks like a chicken.
Oh.
Oh, gravy. Uh-oh. I'm in the mud. Who's driving off? Was that you? No, that wasn't you. But like, wait, what the hell was that? Who was that? What happened to them? Here?
Oh, that blue snow.
Dude, that was you. No way. I was wondering, like, who the heck was...
Oh, no way.
Goodness gravy. Oh my gosh. Unsub. Wait, can you even unsub? Unsub? What? Why would you do that? It's crazy.
You already spent your money, man. You gotta hold that.
Wait, what happened? Was that you that gosh, I saw it. I can't with that. I saw Gray just zoomed by me. But in some other direction. Hey.
Yeah, that was me going off track.
Where was you going, man?
It's because I tried to make the first skip over the mud, where the first set of item boxes are, but I lost control and I rammed into the corner. And since I didn't want to like lose my items, I just like hit my mega mushroom and I was just stuck in the corner.
So, yeah, you were going the total opposite direction. You were sideways. Not even through like the tunnel. You just passed the tunnel. Like passed by it to the left. I was like, why are you passing by the tunnel to the left? Oh, I just I love Bingo Baby.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
What?
I may have drifted in a little bit too hard.
Oh, thank goodness I got it. Oh, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna get it. I got it. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Out of the way, Jet. I don't hit you.
What?
Bro, what the fuck?
What happened?
Bullet Bill knocked me off the stage.
Oh,
That'd be me sometimes.
Oh, that shit, that was me this time. What?
can someone get a blue shell, please?
Damn it, I did not mean to use my emotion.
Like it when you pass it.
Bro.
Throwing your shit up. You know what? Change. Change. Oh my god.
Snowman.
Did you get a snowman?
Yeah. Well, I already have.
Ah. Well, okay.
And I'm getting Mario Karted.
Ooh, I just slimed that beetle. Fuck out the way.
Goodness.
A blue shell just don't want to exist when it needs to. It just get
Exactly, bro. I was in second the entire time and there was not a single blue shell. Hey, Jet. Oak.
That's a baby too. It's a baby.
Oak. Oak. Where do they keep pushing Jet? Oak.
Oh. Oh. Get away from me.
What?
Get away from me. Get away.
You hate me?
No, you just hurt me.
Oh, about to.
Oh no. My little dumpy.
Bring it around to me. Bring it around to me.
Can I float like this too?
I just
Oh,
realized we
can.
got more players.
Woo, 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 look at me float.
I don't
jump.
think you're supposed to.
I go a little higher with the baby. Or not? I think just you, Jet. That's my handheld.
I just switched to handheld right now.
Oh. Never mind. Gray's on handheld.
Me.
I love Margaret.
Me too.
Game sucks.
Oh, maybe we should switch to 8.
Yeah, probably. Or just a shade.
Keep it weak. Stay 8 odds. It's fucking ass.
Jun, where are you?
Nowhere.
Where are you going?
Nowhere.
Where did my red shell just go?
You see, I'm telling you, it
I was
doesn't
gonna
go
hit you
to
with
my
it.
direction. I told you.
Shit went to the void, bro.
It just decides to go somewhere else.
Soon?
Yo, somebody hit you back there, bro.
Oh, really? I'll get them for this.
It was Jim.
Of course.
What? Steven?
Always trying to slam me.
Oh, you heard her? She said, how did you know?
No,
Wow.
but like, how would you know if I